Hello and welcome to my new video. Today we are playing Do Not Press the Button 4. So the point of this game is to complete all the floors, and you have to complete all the puzzles. So that's basically it. So in this one you have to so in this one you have to complete this obby. It says jump on the logs to reach the end. And I did play this game a lot, so I have this much a lot. 2,751 floors. Rounds and that reach the top. So I did buy this rainbow carpet and this laser. But I am gonna go over some of the floors to give you an idea what to do here. So on this one, all you do is just jump on clouds and try to reach the top. That's basically it. It's like Ninja Legends, I gotta say. Hurry to the end. All you gotta do here is just complete the obby and not fall into the water. And I'm gonna go over it. And that is how you do it. And this laser, you can kill people. Yeah, when it says huh, you have to get away from the button. Yeah, watch out. When it says watch out for this laser and go to the sides. The exit of the maze. Pretty sure I know how to get out. Hold on. Oh, I see. So when you want to go here and then here and then here, and then you want to go down here, and then you want to take a turn, and then once you see these clouds, you want to go through it, and then you'll get 3 coins for winning it. Here you have to catch the person. Watch out for the spikes. All you have to do here is watch out for these red dots. If they're beneath you, jump or run away. Don't stay still, you will die. And after this level, that's about it for my tutorial. hopefully you enjoyed my tutorial and it helps you out at this game. But I'll see you guys